What's up, guys? The advanced child tax credits are now going out and hitting banking accounts. So now you can check the status of your payment using the IRS portal. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can check the status of your payment. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh, and I make videos and upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and also click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So using the Child Tax Credit Update portal, you can now see your payment information and the latest information and the status that the IRS have on file, and this is exactly how you can do it. First, head to the Child Tax Credit Update portal, which I will leave a link down below that will carry you right to the screen that you currently see right here. Then you want to click on the blue icon at the bottom where it says Manage Advance Payments. And after you click on the button that says Manage Advance Payments, go ahead and sign in. And if you haven't already set up an account with the IRS, you will need to create one in order to continue. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign in where it says Sign in using an existing IRS username. So after I signed in with my username and password, for an extra security measure, I was sent a 6-digit code to my cell phone. So you might want to have your cell phone nearby because they will send you a code, and this is all for security. And after that code was sent to my cell phone, I went ahead and entered it in right here. And after you enter it in, go ahead and click continue. After I click continue, I was then directed to this page, and for extra security, you will now see your most recent logins, and if all looks good, go on and click continue. On this page, you can check your eligibility and also your status, which your status will tell you if you are enrolled for advance payments or if you unenrolled. Under payments, go on and click the plus icon, and it says process payments. Right here, you will see the status of your payments, and it is showing the process date, the method, and the amount that was sent. So just know if you did change your payment information, it will start in August. So for this first payment, it will be sent to whatever the IRS have on file. But moving forward in August, you will receive a payment on the updated payment, whatever you put in there. And if you need to change any information or see where your future payments will be sent, you can go ahead and click the hyperlink right here that says your profile to view your future payment method. And on the top video right over there, I take you step by step on how you can change your payment method. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.